Hi guys, welcome to our channel Wish Wanderer. Today we're going to be showing you a 2-minute DIY lipstick hack. The first thing you need is a microwave safe container. Later on in the video we've used a saucer, so you can use that also. You need petroleum jelly or Vaseline as it is commonly known. The next thing you need is coconut oil. Now you can vary these proportions as per your liking, but we recommend half a teaspoon of both. Shea butter is optional because all it does is lend moisture and texture to the lipstick. You also need an oil pastel of your choice, whatever shade you want the lipstick to be. You can also mix more than one pastel. Now you have to mix the ingredients a little bit so they are not in different areas of the container. Also, then once you're done, drop a third of the pastel into the container and put in the oven for a minute to a minute and a half. What we realized halfway through the time is that the saucer would be a much better conductor of heat than the plastic container. So we swapped out the container with a saucer and it was ready in a minute. Now you'll know whether it's done or not when you use the spoon to check the consistency. Once it's done, you can pour it out into a container, whatever container you're going to be using. We've used a normal clear plastic container for it. What you have to do now is let it sit for about 30 seconds for it to cool and set. You don't need to refrigerate this, just store it in a cool, dry place. Try it out on your hand to see if it's the shade you want, and then finally you're ready to go out. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And let us know if you want to know any other hacks. Bye. Thank you.